Welcome to MBBSCouncil. We provide NEET admission counseling guidance for doctors and parents. MCC released seat matrix for All India quota, Central University quota, DNB quota and deemed university colleges for NEET PG counseling. In this video, we will see course-wise additional MDMS seats added during NEET 2022 counseling compared to NEET 2021 counseling. This will help us to know how much All India rank cutoff will increase for each and every course. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, I request you to subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get counseling guidance regularly. Let's begin with preclinical courses. During 2021, MD Anatomy course had 250 seats. In this year MCC seat matrix, we find that 293 seats are available under All India quota for Anatomy course. This means 43 additional seats are available under Anatomy. Under Physiology course also, there is an addition of 44 seats this year. If you want to know last year All India closing rank for any PG course, install MBBSCouncil Android app. It gives closing rank for all courses in all medical colleges and DNB hospitals. For paraclinical courses, community medicine and pathology added close to 70 seats each. Pharmacology and microbiology again added another 50 seats this year. Rest of the courses almost remain same, except forensic medicine where 38 new seats were added. In medicine allied courses, anesthesiology and general medicine course added little more than 90 seats each. Pediatrics and psychiatry courses also added more than 50 seats under All India quota this year. The share of seats between All India quota and state quota is 50-50. So, same number of increase in seats will also be seen in the respective state counseling as well. For surgery allied courses, general surgery and obstetrics and gynecology added little more than 90 seats each. In fact, there is increase of seats in all surgery related courses. Let's take general surgery course and see how much closing rank will increase for NEET 2022 counseling. During 2021, there were 950 seats under general surgery course. As per 2022 seat matrix, there are 1042 seats, which means 92 more seats are available under general surgery for the All India quota counseling. Last year, general category All India closing rank for general surgery course was 17,287 during last round of 2021 All India counseling. For 950 seats, it took 17,287 candidates to fill during 2021 counseling. This means it took nearly 18 candidates to fill one seat. So for additional 92 seats this year, it will take 92 into 18, which is 1,675 more candidates. So the closing rank for 2022 is expected to be around 17,281 rank plus 1,675, which is 18,962 All India rank. So if your NEET PG 2022 All India rank is less than 19,000, then you have good chance to get MS General Surgery course during the last round of MCC counseling through All India quota. Similarly, you can find for rest of the courses. If you like this video, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. You can find last year closing rank for any course in any college for your reservation category by installing MBBSCouncil Android app. Install link is given in the description below. If you have any doubts regarding counseling, comment below to get it clarified. Catch you in the next video.